Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is playing with numbers. So in this chapter the first topic will be factors and multiples. You already know all these things, but we will revise all these things. So first, what is a factor? So a factor is a number which divides a given number exactly. Means फैक्टर एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जो भी आपका गिवन नंबर होता है वो उसको कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर देता है. मतलब कंप्लीटली डिवाइड मीन्स द रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ सपोज वी आर हैविंग 20 एंड वी विल हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 20 by 5. So when we divide 20 by 5, we can divide it by 4 times. So our remainder will be 0 in that case. So we can say that 5 is a factor of 20. Okay. In the same manner you can take any of the examples. Means आपका कोई भी नंबर अगर आपका ऐसा है जो कि आपके गिवन नंबर को completely डिवाइड कर देता है, that means वो उस गिवन नंबर का फैक्टर है. Okay. To understand this thing, I have taken one of the easiest example. So suppose we want to find out all the factors of 4. Now if we will talk about the divisor, so divisor should be equal to this number or less than this number, not greater than this number. Okay. So here what I am doing, first I am dividing this 4 by 1. When we divide this 4 by 1, we can divide it 4 times. We will get 1 4s are 4 and remainder is 0. So we can write 4 is equal to 1 into 4, divisor into quotient. Okay, 1 into 4 will be 4. Now after this 1 we will move to the 2. Now 2 can divide this 4 2 times, so remainder will be 0. So in that case we can write 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Now after this 2 we will move to 3. In the same manner we will have to move 3 1 ja 3. Here we will get 1 as the remainder. So that means this 3 is not a factor of this 4. Now after this 3 we will move to this 4. 4 can divide 4 one time, so remainder is 0. So we can write 4 is equal to 4 into 1. Okay. Now if we will write the factors of 4, factors of 4 we can write as 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Now the question arises, why we are not writing this 4 into 1? Because 1 into 4 and 4 into 1 both are same things. When we will find out the factors for the numbers, then what we will have to do, we will have to stop at that point when the factors repeats. When the factors repeat, then we will have to stop there. जैसे आपका यहाँ पर 1 into 4 है और अगर हम इसको लिखें 2 into 2 ये आ गया हमारा, और यहाँ पर 4 into 1 हमारा आया था, तो यहाँ पर हम 4 into 1 लिख सकते थे. बट अगर हम ऐसे ही सीक्वेंस में अगर फैक्टर्स लिखते तो हमारा तभी भी हमारे फैक्टर्स 1 2 4 ही रहते हैं. ठीक है. तो जब भी आपके फैक्टर्स रिपीट हो जाते हैं तो आपको वहीं पर स्टॉप हो जाना है. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर 4 into 1 नहीं लिखा है. और जब भी आप फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो आपको एक सीक्वेंस में चलना है, जैसे कि 1 फिर नेक्स्ट 2 3 4 और मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम आपको 9 तक ही जाएंगे आप, और आपके पास सभी फैक्टर्स आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. देन द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाई वी आर नॉट मूविंग अहेड. Means we are dividing this 4 by 4, but we are not trying to divide it by 5 or 6 or 7, because हमें जो भी हमारे ये डिवाइजर होना चाहिए, ये हमारा डिवाइजर हमेशा हमारे गिवन नंबर से स्मॉलर होना चाहिए, या इक्वल होना चाहिए, या स्मॉलर होना चाहिए. ओके. So the factors of 4 will be 1, this 1, 2, this 2. 2 is 2 times, so we are writing it only one time. Okay, and this 4. So the factors of 4 will be 1, 2 and 4. Now to understand the properties of the factors, let us take another example. Find the factors of 36. I am taking 36, that is a bigger number than the 4 because it is having so many factors. That's why I am taking 36. For the factors, we don't need to divide every time because 36, you all know very well that in which table this 36 lie. Okay, so we can write, first we will have to always start from the 1. So we can write 1 into 36. This is the simplest, means you will have to write each and every time for the given number. When you will find the factors, you will have to write this term 1 into and the number. Okay, so here the number is 36, that's why we are writing 1 into 36. Now next is after 1 2 will come. 2, you can divide 36 by 2, you will get 18. So we can write 2 into 18. In the same manner, 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. And after this 6, why we are not writing 7? Because 7 cannot divide this 36. 8 cannot divide this 36. 9 can divide this 36, but 9 can divide this 36 4 times. Okay, so if we will write this, so we can write this 9 into 4, but there is no need to write this again because we already had written there 4 into 9, means the factors gets repeat. And I told you in the last example also that whenever our factors gets repeat, so we will have to stop there. Now in the same manner, if we will move to the 12 3 ja 36, when we will go to this 18 2 ja 36, in the same manner 36 1 ja 36, but we are not writing it because we already had written here. So if we will write the factors of 36, so move from this top to bottom and this from bottom to top. Okay, to write it in a sequence. So the factors of 36 will be 1 2 3 4 6, only one time you will have to write 6, 9 12 18 and 36. Okay, so with the help of this example, we can understand some of the properties of factors. Today we are discussing only about the factors. Tomorrow we will discuss about the multiples. Okay, so the first property is 1 is a factor of every number. Means जो आपका 1 होता है वो हर एक given number का factor होता है. Okay, so you can see with in this example also that 1 into 36 means 1 is always there in every number. Okay, next, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, it is true, because whatever number you are having, in the last example when we are having 4, so we can divide 4 by 4 one times. So in the same manner we can divide this 36 by 36 one time. Okay, now the third property is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So इसका मीनिंग है जो भी आपके फैक्टर्स आते हैं, ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर के जो भी फैक्टर्स आते हैं वो उस गिवन नंबर को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करते हैं. अब यहाँ पर हम इस एग्जाम्पल की हेल्प से समझते हैं. नाउ इफ वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस 2, सो वी कैन डिवाइड दिस 36 by 2 18 times. Okay, like this 36 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. So as you can see here, the remainder is 0. So we can divide this 36 by 2 18 times, by 3 12 times, by 4 9 times, 6 6 times. Now the fourth property is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. This thing I told you already in the last example when we were having 4. So the factors which we were taking were 1, 2 and 4, means the equal to the 4 or lesser than 4. Here also you can see in this example also we are taking the factors. The factors of this 36 will be either equal to this 36, that is the 36, or less than 36. It cannot be greater than 36. Okay, so the factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Means up from 1 to 18 all the factors are less than 36 and 36 is equal to 36. Okay. Now the last property. The number of factors of a given number are finite. Means जो भी आपके नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स रहेंगे, मतलब जितने भी आपके फैक्टर्स रहेंगे किसी भी गिवन नंबर के लिए, वो हमेशा आपके लिमिटेड रहेंगे, फाइनाइट रहेंगे. ओके, जैसे हम इस एग्जांपल में देख सकते हैं कि हमारा ये 36 जो है, 36 के जो फैक्टर्स आए हैं हमारे, वो कितने यहाँ पर ये हैं. इसके अलावा कोई और फैक्टर 36 का नहीं होता है. ओके, सो द फैक्टर्स, the number of factors of a given number is limited or are finite. Okay, if you want to try some questions related to this topic, that is the factors, so you can try this question number 1. Okay, pause your video here, and the first question is 24, second B part is 15, C is 21, D is 27, E is 12, F is 20, G is 18, H is 23 and I is 36. You can try these questions or these parts for your practice. Thank you.